Did you know that you can hide elements in Cricut Design Space so that the Cricut will only make what is visible on your screen? For the iPad, let me show you how to do that. For example, I have this text in here that I like to have on some of my videos, just so that people know that this is a video by me. But when I'm making screenshots, sometimes I don't want this information showing. So if I go in my layers panel, you can see down on the bottom part of it, there's a little eyeball. So if I click on that eyeball, it hides that whole group. If I want to turn it back on, I just click it back on. Okay, so now watch. When I have it clicked off and I hit make it, the Cricut only prepares to make that first screen that I have turned on. Let's go back to the canvas and go to layers. And if I turn it back on and hit make it, it's going to set up to do the image here for print and cut, but then it also set up to just cut that text. So if it's hidden, it will not cut that. Now, how is that helpful? Well, maybe you're designing some stuff and you have all kinds of design ideas going on and you have them all saved in one project. But then when you decide to make it, you only want to make part of it right now. Just hide what you don't want to make. And then you still have that design saved to use later, but you're not making it right now. Another thing that you can do with this layers control is now at the bottom, there's a duplicate. So not really useful for that, but let's say I put a shape like a heart and I select that heart and I want to make more. So I can duplicate it from there. Or if I want to delete it, I can delete it from that same layers panel. So this is just giving you other options and different various controls for your items. Instead of deleting by the X, you can delete by the layers panel. I hope that helped you to understand some of the little advanced options in your layers control. If you like this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe.